Alright, so I literally had to rush to put the camera on for this video, so I didn't get to record an intro, but I made about, I don't know, I think like £150, like $200 in literally about 3 minutes, so you're about to watch that. If you do like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment what you want to do. My Instagram, everything is on the screen if you want to trade with me. The trade is literally reversing right in my face. They hit TP, then it reversed. So yeah, let's get into it, man. All right, so I literally had to throw on the camera super quickly. I'm literally not even ready. I just had to throw on a jacket, put the mic on quick. As you can see, I'm already in this trade. I got in a little bit late as well because my dumbass clicked buy instead of sell. So yeah, that happened. But I want to target maybe just a bit over 1-to-1 for this trade. It's only a 6 pip. It's only a 6 pip TP, so I want to see if I can at least get 10 pips. But if not, then I'm cool with that. So we're gonna see how this trade does. It's a GBP/USD 5-minute trade, and we're basically at entry. But realistically, I should have been in way earlier. I should have been in the trade so much more earlier. So we're gonna see how this one goes, how this one plays out. We are back at entry now, but that's absolutely fine. We're up about £50. We're basically at where my 1-to-1 should be. We're at where my 1-to-1 should be. If I got in correctly, but yeah, I wasn't doing this right. I was literally just rushing, like I was rushing so hard to put the camera on. I was rushing so much. And then because of these mics, it wasn't connecting. So like, damn. And then I realized it was going down and then it was showing me red. I was like, why am I not in profit? So I realized, damn, I clicked buy instead of sell. This trade is a little bit more risky because it doesn't have a break of structure. But I still do believe this can win. If we get a crazy rejection, I am going to close. But I do believe we can win. The stop loss isn't too big as well, it's about 6 pips. But the market today has been super dry. So there hasn't been much opportunity to get into trades, for me anyway. Sometimes GU be playing out super nice though, so we're gonna see how she does today, if she wants to play nice or not. But I know she can hit TP. I know she got it in her. We're almost there. We're about 90 pound right now. And that is, and we're at TP. I'm gonna close one position. I'm gonna close one position and I'm gonna see if the next one holds. If not, it'll just be a break-even trade. We're gonna see if the next one holds. Maybe I'll close somewhere down these areas. We're gonna see how she does. She's running. She's running. I'm gonna take my 83. I'm not about to play around today. I'm not about to play around with GU today. Took my little profit, small profit for today because I didn't really get my entry, but you know what? I'm fine with that. Yeah, not much more to say. If I do make this into a YouTube video, it's only 5 minutes long, so I probably won't. But if I do, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Thanks for coming to the video, bro.